Hey there, it's Gail with Two Gals Farm Works. We're having a little bit of a snowstorm. Mother Nature is interesting this time of year, April 4th, and this snowstorm is supposed to last all weekend. So I'm gonna head out to the greenhouse and see what's going on with my grow-alongs. So here we go. It's this high on my legs. Pretty good, huh? This is no joke. Head out here and see if we have tomatoes and stuff going. It's not a far walk, but there's a lot of snow. Holy mackerel. Oh, let's look, ice. Hopefully I can get it open. All right, we made it. We made it. Let's see how things are going for the grow along. Right now, here's the little Bidens. They seem to be doing okay. They're liking it out here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Bidens that came up. These are some of the herbs. And the rosemary, which I'm thrilled about. A check on the peppers. It's all our lettuces. This is really cool. Those are the cut and come again lettuces and things like that. Some of our clients want some. My little tomato, it's not so little anymore. It's about 3 feet tall. Seems to be doing okay. It's liking it. And up here with the peppers, this is Steve. See if I can get better light. There's Steve. Steve. And there's King back there. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones. They're also starting to get little flower buds on the top, so I'm gonna have to snip them so that they get bigger, bushier, and healthier. So that's what peppers and Bidens. I'm trying to get some more marigolds popping up there. Cantaloupe. And I know you all like green stalks. So here are my green stalks. See if I can get... These are romaine lettuce up here. Cabbage. Romaine. Arugula. Have some radishes over in this one. Radishes, arugula. That's another cabbage. Here's the little bok choys. More lettuce. More lettuce. So we have a little lettuce factory going on, which is kind of fun. Here are the dwarf peas. They're starting to come up. That's one. I filled these pockets up with those. So I'm happy about that. They're starting to germinate. It's kind of exciting. And more lettuces. They're just starting to germinate out here. These are all for in the garden. So I just put these in like 3 days ago. They haven't been under light, they've just been out here. So they're starting to germinate. So I'm happy about that. So that's the update on the grow-alongs that I have in the greenhouse. Now I'm going to check for watering and things like that, and I'll show you what's going on in the house as far as the grow-alongs. So I'm inside now. These are my tomatoes that I started. They obviously need to be potted up, but they're really healthy and all that. I take them out and pot them up, but the snow, I'm a little afraid to do that. So this year I'm growing is the Black Krim. This is the Black Beauty tomato, Cherokee Purple, Sun Gold right here, Black Cherry. Didn't have very good germination on the Black Cherry for some reason. We'll see how that goes. Here's Berries Crazy. I got enough of those. Mr. Stripies and Black Beauty Eggplant. So those are doing really well. Just need to get them potted up. Now we'll go look at the Steve and King and the other peppers. These peppers are from the same batch that I started originally and I thought I killed. King of the North here. One of the things is they're really starting to put out little buds there, little flowers, so I need to snip them off. But they're looking really good, and they need to be potted up as well, but I don't want to carry them out in the cold and have any shock issues. So Steve, King of the North, they're doing all right. My other peppers, I've been feeding them because they're in the cocoa core. Been feeding them regularly. We have jalapenos, shishitos, poblanos. None of my regular green peppers came up because it was old seed. Got California Wonders in here. Little red and yellow peppers here. And more King of the North and Steve's. So all of these need to be potted up, but I need to take them out to do that. And I'm a little bit afraid to do that right now. So, but I think these will be fine. I just need to get them in some good dirt. So that's an update on the peppers, tomatoes, peas, Bidens. So things are going pretty well, I think, if the weather would just cooperate. Thanks for watching.